don't really know what we can do with them except pose them around. You've got this book, and you've got these orange trunks. You've got another set of these little guys, and I guess book holding hands. Um, and yeah, that's the King Shark from Beast Kingdom. I think for $40 from Amazon.com that this is a great buy. For 40 bucks, I do recommend this. It's got some cool accessories. You know, he's kind of chubby, which I like. The McFarlane King Shark is kind of skinny from the reviews I've seen. He's got some heft to him, like from the movie. All right, guys, we have Beast Kingdom King Shark from the Suicide Squad. I have been on a hunt for this guy, and Amazon had him on sale for $39 plus $10 for paying with a Discover card, and made this a $29 action figure. So I had to grab it. A couple things. I was looking for the McFarlane version. That guy is super expensive right now. Now, I've got to be honest, this is my first Beast Kingdom figure. So here he is, ladies and gentlemen. King Shark. Beach closed. King Shark sightings. Num Num Zone. Dynamic action heroes. The Suicide Squad King Shark. He looks really cool. I'm super excited. What's crazy is that this came out the cellophane and the box has damage on it. That's crazy to me. All right, let's get this out. Oh, here he is. Straight to the business. He looks huge. He looks pretty good. Seems like he comes with some pretty good accessories. All right. Let's free him from his confines and see how good this King Shark really is. The box that it comes in is very cheap. It will break and rip if you will let it. So be sure to hold the weight in your hand as you pull it out. See what I'm talking about? The box, it's kind of falling apart. So keep that in mind, guys. I am going to go ahead and just present it one at a time. So here he is, ladies and gentlemen, King Shark. He is a thick, hefty boy. Okay. This guy's got some articulation. I don't like these. I don't like these, but for 40 bucks, I told myself I would tolerate them. But if I'm being honest, I'm going to have him posed up with his arms already up like he's reading the book or something. So I'm hoping it won't be a problem. He's got these massive gaps in his torso. Holy cow. Talk about back to 1997 here. Oh, you could remix a music video with that. Okay, so we've got some shorts on them. They seem to be riding just right. Got some toe articulation. Okay, kneecaps articulate. Not that you would need to articulate King Shark much. Definitely gonna want to pose him up. Not on a side profile though. Holy guacamole, does this guy got some serious gaps. Okay guys, so King Shark is pretty cool. He does come with a second pair of shorts, so you could redo the prison scene if you want to put shorts on him. He comes with this awesome book, The Varieties of Helliken's Experience by William James. And then you can just draw pictures in here if you want. Let's see if I can get that in his hand now. No, maybe later. So you got this sweet book. These must be the hands for reading the book. The hands look pretty good. Again, for 40 bucks. Yeah, this is decent for $40. Heck yeah, dude. This was originally 120 bucks though. What a rip. The bomb from the end of Suicide Squad, the smiley face bomb. I think he can hold that right now. You've got one of these starfish, which honestly could have had a better paint application, especially if they wanted 120 for this originally. At least he doesn't have loose joints. That would have been killer for this guy. He's got an extra head sculpt, which is probably the one I'm going to use. This head sculpt looks pretty good. I wish his mouth moved. but I mean, it is what it is. It's almost like they just took this off of a toy, like off of a toy shark, and just chopped it off. And anyway, and now we have these guys, which I don't really recall from the movie. I mean, were they like in a single scene? Like, this is a whole lot of accessories for what is basically a single scene. I don't recall them. So you've got these dudes. Is that everything? Those are all the accessories. So here he is, King Shark, Beast Kingdom King Shark with all of his accessories. If you bend his elbows, those nasty joints aren't so bad. These are all the accessories that he comes with. This is, again, $40 on Amazon.com. After tax, it's $39. So you've got these little guys, which I don't really know what we can do with them except pose them around. You've got this book, and you've got these orange trunks. You've got another set of these little guys, and I guess book holding hands. And yeah, that's the King Shark from Beast Kingdom. I mean, he'll hold a pose well, and he does have a lot of pose options because he moves so much. His side profile is really bad just because of all those gaps. He had so many gaps there. But his front profile is good, and his back profile is good too. He looks good. The paint looks good on him. It's just the gaps. Holy cow, Batman. That's a lot of gaps. But still a very, very cool shark. I don't regret this. For $40, I don't regret this. I thought I would, but I don't. This guy is kind of good looking a little bit. So first things first, let's change out this hand to a book reading hand. Okay, popped out pretty easily. The torso's squishy. He's got a squishy torso. Big gaps. Oh, there you go. It's popped in. So now I guess he can read the book, maybe? For anyone interested, this is King Shark without his shorts on. Got quite a badonkadonk. Alright, let's get these prison shorts on. Alright, King Shark with his prison pants on. Very cool. Let's get that book in his hand because he's smart. There you go. There you've got King Shark reading his book. I like that. That is pretty cool. It'd be funny to draw something in the pages, you know, just because the page is blank. Very poseable King Shark. I do like this King Shark, and I'm glad I do, because I was worried if I'd like it. Don't really know what to do with these guys. So here's the other shorts that he comes with wearing. Let's see how... Man, this guy ratchets like crazy. Let's see if I can get these off. See that how big that, there's just so many gaps in this figure. It's kind of distracting. There you go. Comes off. We're going to put these in. There you go. Got these in. So now he's got two shark kind of hands. Let's change out the head. Wow, that head comes off super easy. It's not even like bolted on. It's just kind of like on. So here's King Shark with his mouth open. Very cool. I think for $40 from Amazon.com that this is a great buy. For 40 bucks, I do recommend this. It's got some cool accessories. You know, he's kind of chubby, which I like. The McFarlane King Shark is kind of skinny from the reviews I've seen. He's got some heft to him, like from the movie. Um, my only complaints are obviously these joints, but with this elbow joint being the most ridiculous of them all. Look at this. Like, you couldn't figure out a better way to do this. But I don't plan to ever have his arms extended, so it shouldn't be a problem. He's always going to be either reading a book or posed in a way that those are going to be actuating, not just sitting to his side. When it comes to a King Shark that you can pose, this is it. This is the King Shark that's easy to pose and get into crazy. If I could have any suggestions for Beast Kingdom, it would be mind your gaps. These gaps are very distracting. You know, maybe engineer different gaps. Also, actuate the mouth. That would have been very cool, especially with all these little critters that you gave. And do something about your joints. These these joints are very distracting, you know, and it kind of limits your posing because you don't want to show these joints. Head sculpt is good, decent. These little extra figurines, don't quite know what I'm going to do with them. They're in a way where they'll never stand still. They're always going to lean to a side, the way that they're put, the way that they're made, you know, because they have like this little thing at the bottom. And yeah, the book is cool. Wish the pages had actual script in it. The bomb is a neat little part. Overall, for 40 bucks, I recommend. For 120 bucks, don't you dare think about it. This is not 120 bucks, buddy. Maybe 10 years from now when King Shark is a vastly sought after figure or something like that. But for right now, in Q1 2024, this ain't it, buddy. For 40 bucks, buy him. You won't regret it. Well, I hope you like this review. I hope it's been helpful if you're looking at Amazon.com and wondering if you should buy this guy. And yeah, have a wonderful day. Be safe, take care, and rock on. So yeah, hey, thanks for watching. And if you like my content, please be sure to like and subscribe because I do work hard on these. Thank you and have a wonderful day.